The Seneca Nation is a federally recognized Indian tribe. The Seneca Nation holds title to 5 territories in western New York. The Allegheny and Cattaraugus territories are where the majority of Seneca members reside. Seneca values remain robust, and song, art, dance, and sports are all vital aspects of this culture. The Seneca Nation is committed to promoting and enhancing the physical, psychological, and spiritual health for our community's well-being. Many of our programs are flourishing to promote health holistically throughout the 7 generations. Food is Our Medicine is a joint program of the Seneca Nation and Seneca Diabetes Foundation. Its main focus is on community education about healthy eating. It has sponsored a farmers market that has been very popular with not just the nation but the entire region. They also have sponsored community gardens and helped with the landscaping of public buildings and areas exclusively with traditional species of plant life. Education is a key component to the stability, sustainability, and vitality of a community. The early childhood learning centers on both the Allegheny and Cattaraugus territories incorporate wellness programming and garden-based learning into their curriculum, which ranges from Head Start to after-school programs for elementary and middle school students. We also have a program to help high school graduates to find employment and to gain skills. The Steenberg Employment and Training Center has provided a location where young adult Senecas can learn basic construction while building their own classrooms and projects for other nation enterprises. There are major challenges in our community with opiate abuse, as well as other drugs and alcohol. Seneca Strong is an initiative that aims to comprehensively address substance abuse. They offer peer-based counseling, sponsor 12-step meetings, provide sober spaces and activities, and offer community education in partnership with law enforcement and health professionals. Plans are in development for the establishment of halfway houses to support sobriety and well-being. The Allegheny and Cattaraugus territories are 35 miles apart. For years, it was difficult for Seneca Nation residents who lacked their own vehicle to travel to work or to medical appointments. In 2013, the Seneca Nation inaugurated the Seneca Transit system. The Seneca Transit is a bus service that provides transportation for the community. It's helping members of the Seneca Nation, as well as non-native people in the area, to have easier transportation to health clinics, elder housing, local businesses, and government buildings. Our land is sacred to us, including our relationships with the plants, trees, birds, and animals. The Cattaraugus Creek is considered a world-class steelhead fishing destination, and our conservation staff work year-round in all conditions to protect our lands and waters for current and future generations. Seneca Utilities and Energy has been constructing renewable energy projects that take advantage of the abundant wind resources coming off of Lake Erie. They are currently putting the final touches on our nation's first 1.5 megawatt wind turbine, as well as preparing the ground for a solar farm. Both initiatives help provide clean energy and will reduce the cost of electricity to our people. The Community Planning Department and Elderly Assisted Living Task Force is also hard at work developing green homes. These green homes are a revolutionary way to provide care for the elderly with a direct access to care workers, nurses, and the clinical support team. We are proud of what we have accomplished, but there is still more we need to do. We have many plans for the future. What we do now doesn't only affect us, but it will affect the next 7 generations. We want to make sure that the next generations have a future that is not only better, but is healthier as well. Yahweh.